Want to check your child's grades at New Covenant Academy? Here's how. Step 1, visit ncahuskies.org. Step 2, click Parents Login in the top menu. Step 3, double-check that NC-CA is the district code. Enter your credentials, then click Login. If you don't have your login credentials, please contact Franklin Park at franklin.park@ncahuskies.org. Step 4, in the dashboard, go to the left menu and click Student. Then, Report Card to view semester grades 1 or 2 and final grades under GRD. Step 5. For individual assignment details, click back on Grades in the left menu, then use the Select a Class drop-down to choose a class. This will show all the graded assignments in that course. And that's it! If you need help, just email your department head or visit ncahuskies.org/grades.